So here, before we do this problem, what I want you to think about is how do we do something as simple as 1/7 plus 3/7? Hopefully you know that the answer is 4/7. So I would agree with you. So 7's in the denominator, but I want you to think, how did you get 4 as the numerator? Well, you added 1 plus 3. So notice these are equivalent expressions. So here, notice it's 1/7 plus 3/7. So basically, I can rewrite this problem as 6/5 plus h over 5 equals -9. At this point, you're going to go back and do the same steps. You're going to get rid of your constant first, so you're going to subtract 6/5 from both sides. Here, 6/5 minus 6/5 is 0, leaving you with h over 5 equals -9 minus 6/5. I don't know what this is off the top of my head, so I'm going to do side work. So it's going to be -9 over 1, make it into a fraction, minus 6/5. 5 is my lowest common denominator. I'm going to have to multiply this denominator by 5. So multiplying the numerator by 5, leaving me with -45 minus 6, which is going to leave me with negative, 51 over 5. So I'm going to write that here. Now the last step is we still need to isolate h. So in order to do that, I need to get rid of this over 5. One way to do it is first read this using an operation. I would say this is h divided by 5. So the inverse of dividing by 5 would be to multiply by 5. So I'm going to multiply by 5 to both sides. Here, the 5's cancel each other out, leaving me with just h equals. Here, notice we can cross cancel, just leaving me with -51. And there you have it for number 7. So now let's go ahead and try another example. Let's try number 8. So here we're going to do the same idea. We're going to rewrite this as a fraction. So I would rewrite this as -4 5/10 equals w over 2 minus 6 over 2. Here what's nice is I'm noticing 6 over 2 can be simplified to just 3. So I'm going to rewrite this as -4 5/10 equals w over 2 minus 3. Here, again, you're going to get rid of your constant first by adding 3 to both sides. This is going to cross cancel, leaving me with -1 5/10 equals w over 2. So again, in order to isolate w, we're going to have to get rid of this 2. This means w divided by 2. So the inverse would be 2 multiplied by 2. So if I multiply both sides by 2, this is going to leave me with a -3 equals w. And there you have it.